It's Adam. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a doorknob if it's loose. How to fix a door, how to tighten a loose door handle. So you see how loose it is, right? You see how loose it is. So what to do? Bow, here's a screwdriver. Then you and you keep fixing. There we go. There we go. That's it. And that one as well. Sorry, bub. Ah. Oh my god. There we go. That's how to do it. Yep. Okay. And that one, there we go. That's it. So that's how to tighten a loose door handle. You just use a screwdriver, it's right there. And I know I couldn't find the other one, I used this one since, but at least with this one it works. So I just tied close, like the magic trick is, I just tied closely and let it like move, and then now it works good, like that. There we go, that's it. And if you wanna, I just used that and I just tied correctly and just tight, then now it's tight. So that's a video how to tight a loose door handle. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. In the other video I made a winner free cup, please give me more subscribers for that one too. So yeah, so please like the video and subscribe. Bye guys.